friends, have you ever wondered if your palm holds the secret to your financial future? Imagine if the lines on your hand could reveal whether you're destined for luxury or struggle. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of palmistry to uncover the hidden messages in your palms. Stay with us until the end to discover how your palm can tell you more about your destiny than you ever imagined. You won't want to miss this enlightening journey into the art of palm reading. Palmistry, or chiromancy, is an ancient practice that interprets the lines, shapes, and textures of your hand to reveal insights about your life. Let's start with the basics. The three main lines to look at are the heart line, the head line, and the lifeline. Each of these lines can provide clues about your emotional state, intellectual capabilities, and overall life path. For example, a long and unbroken heart line may indicate a balanced and fulfilling love life, while a short or fragmented line could suggest emotional challenges. Next, let's examine the headline. This line represents your intellectual and mental state. A clear, straight headline often signifies a logical and organized thinker, while a wavy line might indicate a creative but sometimes indecisive mind. The lifeline, which curves around the base of the thumb, can give us insights into your vitality and major life changes. Contrary to popular belief, a long lifeline doesn't necessarily mean a long life, but rather a life filled with strength and resilience. Now let's delve deeper into how these lines can reflect your financial future. The fate line, which runs vertically from the base of your palm towards the middle finger, is particularly significant in determining your career and financial success. A deep, straight fate line suggests a clear path in life with stable finances, while a faint or broken line might indicate financial struggles or frequent changes in career. For example, take Jane, a successful entrepreneur who has a prominent fate line. Her palm reveals her strong determination and ability to overcome obstacles, leading to her financial prosperity. On the other hand, John, who has a faint fate line, has faced multiple career shifts and financial instability. By understanding the fate line, you can gain insights into your own financial journey and take steps to align your actions with your desired outcomes. Additionally, the sun line, also known as the line of Apollo, can indicate fame and success. This line runs parallel to the fate line and is often associated with creativity and public recognition. A strong sun line suggests a person who is likely to achieve fame and fortune through their talents. It's important to remember that palmistry is not about predicting a fixed future, but rather understanding your inherent strengths and challenges. By recognizing the signs in your palm, you can make informed decisions and take control of your destiny. For instance, if you notice a break in your fate line, it may be a sign to prepare for a significant change in your career. Instead of fearing the unknown, use this knowledge to adapt and thrive. Let's consider Emily, who noticed a break in her fate line just before she decided to switch careers. Instead of seeing it as a negative sign, she embraced the change and found success in a new field. Her story shows that understanding the messages in your palm can empower you to make bold and positive life changes. If you found our exploration of palmistry and financial destiny fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have many more intriguing topics and helpful insights ahead. Share your thoughts and experiences with palmistry in the comments below. Have you discovered any surprising truths in your own palm? If we get 5,000 likes, we will release a special video on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and unlock the path to success. This will be incredibly useful, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Remember, understanding the cosmic influence on your life helps you confidently overcome challenges and seize opportunities. Believe in your unique gifts, follow your true path, and let the wisdom of palmistry guide you. See you in the next video.